Hi friends, this is Nageshwar. Welcome to my channel ITBird143. You are watching Microsoft Office PowerPoint 2007 tutorials. In this tutorial, I will show you how to add animations to PowerPoint presentations created in Microsoft Office PowerPoint 2007. Open PowerPoint 2007. We can animate the text, picture, shapes, tables, smartart graphics, and other objects in our PowerPoint presentations. These effects can make an object appear, disappear, or move. They can also change object size and color. In my previous tutorial, we have seen transitions. They are applied between the slides, but animations will be applied to the data on slides. First, I want to apply animation to text. Select the text to which you want to animate. After that, come to Animations menu. Click on the arrow next to Animate. Here we will get various effects: fade, wipe, and fly in. We can apply this to all the text at once or applying by paragraphs. Just over the cursor on each type. We will get the preview. Similarly, come to wipe. Here each bullet represents a paragraph. I'm selecting fade by first level paragraphs. After this, let's add animation to objects. Here I'm selecting a picture. Again, come to Animate. Now we will get only fade, wipe, fly in, and custom animation. Let's hover the cursor on each type. After this, I want to add animation to charts. Select the chart. Again, come to Animate. Now we will get various options. Come to fade and hover the cursor on as one object, by series, by category, by element in series, here it will show element by element, and by element in category. Similarly, come to smartart graphic, select the smartart graphic, come to Animate. Again, we can select as one object, all at once, one by one. And we can also apply this to tables. Select the table, come to Animate. We can use fade, wipe, and fly in options. After this, come to shapes. Select the shape. Again, click on arrow next to Animate. We can use fade, wipe, and fly in. Also, we can create custom animation. If you don't like to apply default animations, select the text, come to Animations menu and click on Custom Animation. Now it will open Custom Animation panel. Click on the arrow next to Add Effect, and here I got various options and also having sub options. We can directly apply these effects, and if you want to see the preview, click on More Effects. Now we can select each effect to see the preview. And after that, come to Emphasis, click on More Effects. We can select Change Font Color, Change Font Style, Change Font, and so many options. And after this, again come to Exit, click on More Effects. And after that, come to Motion Paths. Here we can use all these options. Otherwise, come to More Motion Paths. Here we will get various options and select a custom animation. Click on OK. Now it is showing the line by line. Let's open the slideshow. Here all the text moving all at once. Again come to slide view. Here we can change starting options. Start and click. Again run the slideshow. It will add the effect by paragraph. And we can also re-under the paragraphs to apply this effect. Here I'm selecting fourth and I want to bring this to top, and again run the slideshow. Like this we can re-order the sequence, and we can also change its path. Let's run the slideshow. And after that click on start. Here we can select on click with previous and after previous, and after that come to path. Here we can unlock and lock the path, and we can also edit the points. Then it will move according to this selected path, and we can also adjust the speed. And after that click on the arrow, and we can also modify the effect options. Here we can add the sound, and we can change the animation style. Don't dim, hide after animation, hide on next mouse click. And animate text all at once or by word or by letter, and come to timing. Here we can delay the animation effects by selecting the time. Similarly, we can apply this to charts, smartart, graphics, tables, and shapes. Like this, we can add animations to PowerPoint presentation created in Microsoft Office PowerPoint 2007. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on like button, and please share this video to your friends. And please visit my channel ITbot143 to watch more latest uploaded videos. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends. Have a nice day.